Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in case you own the Google Pixel 7 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro and are having issues with the quick tap on the back not working, that is what we're going to try to fix in this video. So as you can see, this here is the Pixel 7. I can go into system and gestures. This here is quick tap to start actions, and right now I have chosen toggle flashlight. Now the first tip I recommend you do is make sure that you check or uncheck this required stronger taps based on how strongly you tap it. In my case, as you can see, I do have a case on, and if I double tap here, it works fine for me. Another important thing to note over here is that this quick tap feature on the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro works only when the screen is on. So if I lock my device and then I try this quick tap, it is not going to work. So for this feature to work without any issues, the display needs to be turned on. The next thing is you need to find a sweet spot wherein it works the best for you. So in my case, with this specific case on, this here is the sweet spot for me. Another pro tip is sometimes I realize that if I double tap and it's not working, what I do is after my second tap, I do not remove my finger. So I keep my finger over there and then it works without any issues. So that is another pro tip. And then another pro tip is you can always tap over here near the flash itself on the camera bar, and that should also activate the feature. If none of these tips and tricks are working for you, then the final resolution which I recommend is you go into settings, then you go into system, you go into your gestures and quick tap start actions. You disable this feature of quick tap and then you reboot your device. So you access your quick settings panel, expand it, select this power button over here, and then reboot your Pixel 7 or the Pixel 7 Pro. Now, once the device has rebooted, we can go back into our settings. Then we will go into system, gestures, quick tap, and we are going to enable it. And then you need to come out of this menu and let us give it one more try. There it is. You can see it is working without any issues for me, and hopefully this video did help you fix the quick tap issues on your Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. And of course, as you can see, now it is not working for me when I am double tapping near the camera. Okay, so the other trick of tapping and holding after the second tap seems to make it work better. So again, hopefully this video did help you out fix the issue of quick tap not working on your Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro.